250th Avenue in the Lloydminster Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2018 Ford F-150 Lariat. The exterior color is Oxford white, and under the hood we have a 3.5-liter Ecoboost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have LED daytime lights, fog lights, and 2 tow hooks. Over at the side we have 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Hankook. We have power deploy running boards and LED side mirror spotlights. This 2018 F-150 has color match handles and mirror caps. This pre-owned 2018 Ford F-150 Lariat also comes with remote start, keyless entry, and a beautiful moonroof. At the rear we have privacy tint window with embedded defroster, a power window, power liftgate with step, a rear camera with reverse sensing system, box LED lighting, and a tow package. At the interior, we have driver-friendly features such as power locks, power windows, mirror settings, and 3 programmable seat options, as well as our door storage. As we move into the cabin, you will see that we have black leather seating, with our adjustments on the side, including lumbar support. Over at our steering column, we have our headlamp and pedal settings. We have a heated telescopic steering wheel with our cruise control settings to the left, and our media and hands-free options to the right. Looking above, we have our rear view mirror, our cabin lighting, and our options for our beautiful moonroof. Looking ahead, you can see that this pre-owned 2018 F-150 has 54,498 kilometers. Looking ahead at our center face, you can see that there are many options available, such as audio, climate, phone, navigation, apps, and various settings. Just below we have our dual climate control area, which provides heating and air conditioning to the entire cabin. Also, just below the dials, we have our heated seats as well as cooled. Our middle console offers our dual cup holders, our gear shift, as well as a ton of storage. At the rear, passengers can enjoy power windows and door storage. Just moving inside the cabin here, our 60/40 bench seating provides a ton of legroom and headspace, and this unit also comes with our second row heated seats. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2018 Ford F-150 Lariat, do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We would like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.